Hi, this is Marilyn Taylor from MarilynTaylor.com, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a cute little plaque to either hang a doorbell or numbers or whatever on it. Okay, so here we go. In this case, I am going to be hanging a ring doorbell, and I wanted to sink it into wood and not masonry. So this piece of wood is going to go into the masonry because I have stucco, and the piece of wood is going to be a decorative backdrop for it.
So the first step that I had to do was to drill these two holes. Now notice I didn't go all the way through. I need these to countersink, so when they go all the way in, they sit flush or inside of the wood, because when I put my ring doorbell, it's going to sit over that. Okay, so what I did is I took a 1/4 inch drill bit, which was the biggest one I had. Honestly, I needed one a little bit bigger than that, but this is fine. And I drilled just a partial way into the wood. And then in order to, because it was a little bit slimmer than this screw that I'm using, which you're going to want to determine the screw you're going to use first, obviously, before you decide what size drill bit. And I drilled a partial way in, and then I rotated it like this to open up the opening just a little bit at an angle similar to how there's a slope on this, and creating also an angle here so that when it countersinks, it will sit flush or sink in just a little bit. Okay, so that's the first step. Next step is to spray paint it.
Let me just apologize in advance that I don't actually have video of me doing this, but real life, I just finished it, got it done the next day and forgot to video it. So here we go. It's important that you paint all sides of the block because, especially since you're using wood, you want to make sure that you are sealing all sides from moisture. If you leave the back side unpainted, moisture will get back behind there and it will expand only on one side and form. I am using Valspar for this particular project. You can get it at Lowe's, and I like it because it sprays evenly and it's paint and primer in one. The next step is you're going to choose a drill bit that matches the thickness of your screw, and you're going to drill a pilot hole through the wood, and then it's also going to go into the wall. I want to reiterate that the drill bit you're using is the size of the base of the screw, not the same drill bit you used to drill the original holes. Otherwise, the screw will have nothing to hold on to. So I just put my plinth and leveled it, held it in place, and drilled my holes. The next step after that is to mount your doorbell or number or whatever else to the plaque, and then voila, it's all done. Isn't it nice? So much nicer than just mounting the doorbell or whatever straight to the wall. If you liked this video, join my email list and get them delivered straight to your inbox. Head over to my website, MarilynTaylor.com.